Hey everybody, so today we're talking about um, marks up, sales tax, and tips. So a markup is amount of increase from cost of an item to its selling price, so whatever we're paying for it, the difference between what we're paying for it and what we're selling it for. Sales tax is additional amount of money charged on items that people buy, and small tip is a small amount of money in return for a service such as tipping your waiter or waitress or a valet of something of that nature. So as we move forward, we want to get to where we start talking about problems. So if you look, this is our equation right here. So our first major problem is that Mary buys plain cell phone cases and then decorates them to resell online at higher price. What is the percent markup on each phone case? So we see in the picture to the right there, we see what we're buying this phone for. We're buying it for $7.20. We're going to sell it for $11.25 each. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find the markup. So our markup number is the difference between our buying price and our selling price. So our selling price is $11.25. And when we're talking about a difference, we are talking about minusing, so subtracting. So we're going to subtract our buying price is $7.20. And then we get out of that, we're going to get $4.05. So that is our markup, is $4.05. That's our markup. So when we go to put that into our equation, that is going to be $4.05 equals our percent markup. That's what it's asking us. So we don't know that. So that's our variable. And we're going to multiply that by our original cost for the phone case, which is $7.20. So we're going to multiply that by 720. And this just becomes just a nice and neat little one-step equation problem. So we have 720 n equals 4.05. And if you remember, we're going to divide 720 so they cancel out, but we do to the left, we got to do to the right. And so we're going to get n equals 0.5625. Now, it's asking us for a percent. So when we make a percent out of a decimal, we have to move that decimal place two places to make it into a percentage. So that's going to be 56%, 0.25. So this is our answer. It's 56.25%. So that's the answer for that one. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, and you can pause anytime you need to and make it slow down. There's our equation again. So as we look, the local furniture store pays $110 for a chest of drawers and sells it with a 40% markup. What is the selling price of the chest of drawers? So we are looking for our markup, our percent of markup, and our cost. So as we go through this, we don't know what our markup is, and so that's what it's asking us. Okay? And we're going to find that by multiplying our percent as a decimal. So we move the decimal place to the left two places, and we're going to multiply that by what we pay. Okay? And we're going to get out of that, we're going to get $44 becomes our markup. It's terrible handwriting. Okay, so now that we know our markup, we can put this into, we know our markup, we know our original price, so our selling price, we're just going to take what we paid for it, and we're going to add it to our markup. So that's going to give us $154 as our selling price. So this is $154 for our selling price. So, and that's what the question is asking us. So that is our answer. All right. So we're going to stop this video there. We will continue on with the next problem on video number 2. So get ready for that.